It smells like oranges.
Baby, show me you're the best, 'cause I can never settle for less. What if I got naked? What if I showed my ass? Only way to get attention is to lack class. Oh, hell no, I won't be that.
Hey everybody, it is Chastity Elise. I am back for another video. It is currently 1:30 a.m. in the morning, and I actually just finished working out on my treadmill, and I'm really proud of myself. I walked for 5.5 miles today, well, between last night and today, because I think I got on there like maybe 11 o'clock, and so I just got off not too long ago. So I'm really proud of myself for that. I haven't walked that much in a very long time. So anyway, I am really ashamed because this right here, this chemical peel that I was supposed to try some time ago. I did a Sephora haul. And so this is one of the items that I purchased, and I was supposed to try it then and I did not. And so that's what I'm doing now, because like I mentioned, like this is something that I want to try at night, just because once you wash the peel off your face, makes your skin sensitive, and you don't really want to go out in the sun after you've used this peel on your face. And so in my opinion, this is something that you would want to use overnight, as opposed to like get up in the morning and use it and then go outside. And so that's what I'm going to be doing right now. I'm going to use it this morning slash it's kind of night for me, because once I'm done with this, I'm going to bed. But I apologize if I'm looking crazy right now. My feet hurt, my body aches, because I've done exercise that I haven't done in a very long time. So it's a lot going on, but I figured I'll go ahead and try to get this done tonight slash this morning, especially since like after reading the instructions on this, and honestly doesn't take that long. Basically it just has like apply a teaspoon amount to your skin for resurfacing, and then you're basically just using like a nice gentle circular motion all around your face, just avoiding like the eye area. And then after like 60 minutes it's supposed to crystallize, and then you put like another layer on, and then you wait for like 2 to 3 minutes, and then you wash it off. So the process is like super short. It shouldn't take that long. So I figured I might as well go ahead and bite the bullet and get this done, because otherwise I don't know when I'm going to get to do it, or when I'm actually going to take the time out to do it, because I've just been like dragging my feet about it for some time now. So without any more talking, without any further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into this video. So let's just go ahead and unbox this real quick. And okay, so we've got two products here. We've got this little bottle here, and then we've got like this little container at the bottom. So this is the activating gel. See, it says activating gel. And then this is the resurfacing crystals. Okay, so more or less, this is what we're gonna do. So step one is this. So we use the crystals first, and then once we use the crystals, then we use the activating gel. So, and it says to do this on dry skin. So I just did like a quick little wash of my face. I didn't use nearly as much product to wash my face as I normally would, just because if I'm doing this, then I'm automatically gonna be washing my face again, because I gotta rinse this stuff off. I am gonna wash my hands first, just because like you don't wanna put dirty hands in your face. Brush your hands on your face. And I don't really have a measuring spoon, which I guess I should have a measuring spoon, but at the same time, if you all have seen some of my other videos, you know that I bake and that I cook, so I can pretty much, I mean, for the most part, I think most people can kind of gauge, like a teaspoon is not very much off. So, it smells like oranges. Seriously, it smells like oranges. So I think that's about good. It's not a lot, but I feel like it's not too much either. So, and it just says to apply, and then that crystals will form, and you just massage it for 60 seconds. And like, I know that my skin is like pretty sensitive, so I'm trying to be like as gentle as possible. No, don't quit on me. Okay. Alright, so I just finished using the resurfacing crystals, and I just put on the activation gel. So now I've got to wait for 2 minutes, and then after 2 minutes I will be rinsing this off, and it says to rinse thoroughly. Now what they said is that if you want extra exfoliation, you can massage the face for the whole 2 minutes if you wanted to, or if you have sensitive skin, like I mentioned, I do have sensitive skin, and so it said once you massage it a little bit, then you can just let it sit. So right now I'm letting it sit, and in 2 minutes, or probably like 1 minute now, I'm gonna be washing this off of my face. But when you put on the activating gel, you automatically feel like this really warm sensation, which it says you're supposed to. And actually it is 1:47 now, so my 2 minutes are technically up. So I'm gonna wash this off of my face real quick. And I'm sorry, my camera died, so I'm having to record on my phone now. Sorry guys. I like to wash my face with warm water, or kind of water that's as hot as I can stand it, which typically is like a little warmer than lukewarm. And then because what that does when you wash your face with warm water, it automatically opens up your pores. And then you wash it or rinse with cold water, and what that does is cold water just closes it. So hot water or warm water opens your pores, cold water helps to close them. So I'm just doing like warm water right now to kind of open them up. And then too, that helps you to get rid of impurities when you open up your pores. So that's what I'm doing. Unfortunately, it seems like my own advice is not helping me any. But personally, just speaking from my own experience, what I have noticed about my skin is that my acne is more so hormonal than it is related to anything else. All right, so I just rinsed my face with cold water, and now I'm just gonna dab and dry my skin. So that is it. It's super easy to use. It's super simple. Put on your resurfacing crystals, and then after you put on the crystals, but you massage those in for 60 seconds, and then you put on the gel, and then you just kind of massage that in. You let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you see the white foam starts to kind of form on your face. And then after that, then you just rinse your face, and then you're done. I'm honestly disappointed in myself for not using it earlier, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put lotion on my face, and then I'm going to bed. And honestly, I'm not using any special lotion. I like Jergens. I've always been a lover of Jergens lotion. Favorite scent, cherry almond. On a typical night, I would put on a toner, but I think because I've already done this chemical peel for tonight, or this resurfacing peel for tonight, I'm not going to put anything additional on my face. So I'm literally just going to put lotion on, and then I'm going to change out of these clothes, and then I am going to bed so I can wake up and get to work. Actual work from 8 to 4:30. Yeah. Yes, I do this and I still work, which is why I do not upload a lot. And when I do upload, I upload a batch, or at least I try to upload a batch at a time. Because with the way that my work schedule is, I don't really have the time to be doing a video every day. But I can record and edit multiple videos and post like several during one day. But just to say, or just to kind of like promise that I'm going to do like daily videos, can't really do that. But that is it for this video. Thank you all for watching. Good night, good morning, buenos dias, and Buenos dias and buenos noches. And I am out. Hasta luego. Thank you all for watching. I hope to see you all in my next video. Later.